Hi, welcome. Today, we're diving into design systems, the foundation of consistent and scalable product design. Design systems help teams work faster, stay aligned, and deliver seamless user experiences. So whether you're building a system from the ground up or improving an existing one, this guide will help you learn from the best. Let's get started, step by step. What is a design system? A design system is a comprehensive collection of reusable components, guidelines, and tools that help teams build consistent, high-quality products. Think of it as a central source of truth that aligns both design and development, ensuring everyone works with the same standards and principles. For this video, I've created a sample design system, and now let's walk through it step by step. Design philosophy. First, we have the design philosophy. This section explains the design thinking behind the project, why certain decisions were made and how user needs were prioritized. You can see this philosophy clearly described on the screen. Responsive design. Here, we show both desktop and mobile views side by side. This helps developers and stakeholders easily understand how the layout adapts across different screen sizes. The goal is to ensure a seamless experience across devices, whether users are on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Color palette. The color palette is one of the most important parts of any design system. In this section, we clearly define background colors, text colors on light backgrounds, hyperlink colors, menu and menu icon colors, submenu and submenu icon colors, active menu and header icon colors, left sidebar background, header, body header, table, and footer background colors. This clarity ensures consistent usage of colors across the entire product. Typography. Here, we define the font family and font weights, along with their usage across the interface, such as page titles, headings and subheadings, body text and paragraphs, button labels, sidebar menu text. This helps maintain readability, hierarchy, and visual consistency. Design tokens. Now let's look at design tokens, which include spacing, font sizes, and shadows. Spacing. We define spacing rules for page title to main content, subtitle to content, section to section, paragraph to paragraph, list item spacing, line height for text, font sizes. Font sizes are clearly specified for page titles, subtitles, labels, bold text, sidebar menu, body content, shadows. Shadow styles are defined to maintain depth and hierarchy across components. Component library. The component library allows us to reuse components efficiently. Here, we define reusable elements such as buttons, input fields, alerts, cards. Using a component library ensures consistency and speeds up both design and development. Categories and navigation in OAT. Navigation in the OAT UI is designed to provide a user-friendly journey. With intuitive menus and visually clear category previews, users can effortlessly move between sections. The interface is structured to enhance browsing and ensure smooth, seamless interactions with just a few clicks. Prototypes. In the prototype section, we showcase key layouts and interactions. Important screens are demonstrated here, with supporting explanations visible on the screen, helping stakeholders understand user flows and behavior. With all these elements in place, we now have a complete and structured design system that supports consistency, scalability, and collaboration. By investing in a strong design system, teams can deliver better products faster, while maintaining quality, consistency, and clarity at every stage. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe for more design tips.